Hello everybody, welcome back to another ChatGPT tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use a new Google extension for search engine optimization. If you are an SEO or a local SEO or a content marketer or anybody that's involved in creating content to rank on a website, you need to watch this video. You're going to be able to annihilate your competitors and you're going to be 10 times faster than your current method. I guarantee it. So big claim, but let me show you how to get this going and then we'll go through it and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, so I've got ChatGPT open here, but when you look at it, you'll see all these things here that you're not used to seeing. That's simple. All you got to do is you got to install a new Google extension. It's called AIPRM for ChatGPT. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description below if you want to click on it, or you can just search AIPRM for ChatGPT, AIPRM in the Google extension little store place. All right, you loaded it up. It's good to go. It's this one right here. I'm hovering over it, this little black icon here. If you don't see that, click on the extension and then just make sure that AIPRM has the nice little blue thumbnail thingy clicked on, the blue push button. There you go. All right, so there we go. Here we go. It's opened up. Now, look at this. Outrank article, keyword strategy, smart and detailed article writer. You get ChatGPT to write the article for you with heading tags, human written, plagiarism-free SEO optimized content, etc., etc. Fully SEO optimized article, including meta descriptions. I mean, just crazy. One-click blog post. Like, they're all a little different, but at the end of the day, it's basically ChatGPT, but with specific set of instructions that gets the result you want. So for this one, Outrank article, this is one that I would use, and I use it quite frequently. So I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to see it says Outrank article by AIPRM. What you need now is your competitor's URL. So for this case, I'm going to try and create this is a dental emergency service in Surrey. So I want to beat this dentist. So that's my goal. So what I do is I take the URL, I go to new chat, and I just copy paste that into there, and then I click on this little button here, and it is going to write me the article from scratch. Emergency dental services in Surrey, striving for excellent care. There you go. We've got a cool little title, and off we go. Now it's going to write it. I'm going to come back when it's done and show you how good it is. All right, welcome back. So here we go. This is our Outrank. This is the first one you can use here that I like to use. And you'll see here, emergency dental services in Surrey, striving for excellent care. And then it gives you about a 600 or so word or 500 word example to compete with that, to outrank your competitor. Now, this isn't going to do it right out of the box here, I'll be honest with you. And you also will notice here that it uses the word strive dental, and I don't think that's correct. What you want to do is you want to place whatever your customer's name is, or your client's name versus the name from the website here. So it isn't perfect, but it gives you a really, really good start. And then, you go down to the bottom here and there's your 500 word article to start with. You take that. If you want more, just type in the word continue, click this little button and watch. It's going to give you some more examples. All right, welcome back. So I typed in continue, and then you'll notice here that it gave me a few more bits for that page, the Outrank page. So the importance of prompt treatment in dental emergencies, why choose Strive Dental, which of course we would replace with our customer or client's name. And then it gives you a nice little bullet point list of all of these things. A very, very unique tool, as long as you keep in mind that you got to remove the name here and change that. But there you go. You've got about a 700 or 800 word article that should help you get on the way to outranking your competitors. I'm going to click on new chat and show you a few other things. Now, we've got a new chat here. Let's look at keyword strategy. You're going to like this one. So I'm going to type that in, and then it says type in, or I clicked on it, type in your keyword. I'm going to go emergency dental services. Watch this. Hit enter. Keyword cluster, keyword, search intent, title, meta description. It gives you a table of all of these things, including the meta description, the title. Now, if you think about this, if you were going to a customer as a SEO and you went into a customer's office, this would be highly valuable because you could go, okay, Mr. or Mrs. Dentist, here's what I want to do. I'm going to go after emergency dental services. I'm going to go after emergency dental care, emergency dental treatment. These are my keyword clusters. These are the exact specific keywords that I'm targeting. And here's the big one. Here's the search intent. It's transactional. If anybody searches for this, we know that it's a transactional search, and that means money to you. Okay, that's very, very important. Transactional, transactional, transactional. And then it gives you an example of a title. So watch this. If I looked at this one here, end your dental pain, okay, I don't know, safeguard your child's smile with dental services. That is the title. So I'm going to stop generating because I wanted you just to see what this looks like, informational transactions. Okay, but so you guys can work with that. But I've just gone ahead and taken that here, and it says safeguard your child's smile with emergency dental services. Now I'm going to go create a new chat, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these ones. So the one that I like, one-click blog post is pretty good. Outline for blog articles pretty good, but let's go with, actually, you know what? Let's go with this one here, right here. Smart and detailed article with H tag. So I'm going to click on this, and this now allows you to write, it will write an article. I copy and paste in what I took there. We took it from our previous chat, which was the one with the keywords. Click enter. Now watch. We're going to get a whole new article. I'm going to come back when it's done to show you how crazy good this is. All right, welcome back. It's finished doing the article, Safeguard Your Child's Smile with Emergency Dental Services. It is natural for parents to want the best for their children, etc., etc. This is a fantastic article, and it wrote it in like 2 minutes, right? Including an in conclusion. Now, if you think about this from a strategic perspective, you go back here and you go to, you go back to the other chat. You go ahead, you write out, you go and you take the keyword strategy. You get 30 or 40 or 50 articles that you want to write about. Then you just go ahead and click on this and create content for each and every one of them, and you're going to demolish your competitors. It's crazy. Please take a look at this. Look at this. If you're using it and having success, leave a comment below. This is going to change the SEO game. Thanks for watching this tutorial.